Hello, Young Living family. My heart is heavy with the human suffering taking place in Ukraine, and my thoughts are especially with our Young Living employees and members living there. This war of aggression is so abhorrent in the eyes of all those who believe in godly principles of love and in doing good to all men. Young Living is about health and wellness and the right of choice. Gary and I have always been the champions of those who are struggling, being abused, and being treated unfairly. We don't know the whereabouts of many of your orders, but we hope that you will see them soon. We are doing everything we can to support your business and ensure you receive your commission payments, and continue to look for other ways to provide assistance to those affected by this terrible time. We have many Young Living members who are very concerned and who also want to help, and we are looking at ways to make this possible. Kristen Todd and her team are working diligently to ensure that we are taking care of you and those who are being affected. My heart is warmed by the people in neighboring countries who are offering their assistance and opening their homes to provide food and shelter. Many people around the world are under the oppression and abuse of controlling governments. Our Russian family members are also suffering, and many Russian people are protesting against this invasion. Let us unite together in prayer and wherever we are in the world, and pray that the fighting will come to an end and peace will be restored. Stay with those thoughts in your hearts and minds, and send those thoughts to all people in need. If you have oils with you, share them with others to encourage and bring hope in this time of darkness. We send our love and light to uplift your spirits and connect with you from far away.